welcome back. I'm not even gonna bother doing an intro because I am so excited. I was able to get my hands on this product. This is the new Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. This recently came out. I forget how long ago, but I know it was recent. And I also know that everybody on the internet is talking about this product right now. So I wanted to just make a short and sweet video of me trying out the product, my thoughts, all that stuff. So this does claim to have SPF 20 in it. So with that being said, if you are not using sunscreen as a part of your skincare routine, I recommend using a tinted moisturizer or a product that has sunscreen in it to protect your skin, even if you live somewhere that is a little bit gloomy. Like, packaging is very standard. It is the same for all of their products, which I really like. For reference, I got this shade 26W. In the store it looked like my shade, so I hope it's not too dark on me. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm not entirely sure why there's like this little dent here on the side, but I think it's a pretty good match. I'm just gonna shake the bottle really quickly. I'm also gonna put on a little bit of primer on my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Primer. The face is nice and primed now, and I'm just excited to dive into this product because I don't usually do product reviews over here on my channel, but I had to do one for this one because I'm so excited about it. It says to apply it 15 minutes before sun exposure. I'm also doing this in natural light, so there is no ring light involved. It won't be blurring out my skin. You guys can see what my skin looks like, and I'm not trying to hide any of it. So it comes with like this little dropper applicator. This reminds me a lot of the Glossier skin tint, which you guys know I love, but I'm excited to try this one out. So I'm just gonna squirt. It does claim to be light to medium coverage, so I'm just gonna apply it like I usually apply it. Oh my god, I put too big of a glob. I do usually apply all of my skin tints with a brush. But I think for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do half my face with a brush and the other half with a beauty blender. I'm taking my Morphe R6 brush and I'm going to go in with a brush on this side of the face. Wow. Immediately right off the bat, this matches my exact skin color, which is like crazy. Can you guys see that? It literally looks like I put nothing on my face. And it does have a sunscreen. It does smell like sunscreen, but it also smells like regular foundation, so like I don't that blended in so smooth. I feel like you can't even tell that I put anything on my face. And then I'm also going to take a damp beauty blender on this side of the face. To be honest, both sides blended out flawlessly. I definitely would recommend blending with a brush or your fingers and then going over it with a beauty blender to kind of lock everything in place. It is so gorgeous. It does have a little more coverage. I would closely compare it to the Glossier skin tint. I know everyone is saying the Fenty Drops is the closest comparison, but to me this does really remind me of the Glossier skin tint, and it's basically like an older sister to that product in my opinion. I finished the rest of my makeup, and first, right off the bat, I definitely do think that this is the definition of a tinted moisturizer. I really love it. It matched my skin perfectly, first of all, and all of my other products blended so smoothly and seamlessly on top of this product. And it is also a bonus that it does have SPF 20 in it, which I love. As you can see, my skin's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty decent, and I'm honestly, I had high expectations for this product. I definitely do think it did meet those expectations, but I do have my phone here and I'm on the Sephora website and I wanted to read some of the claims and the stuff that's in it for you guys. So it says that this is a flexible tinted moisturizer that immediately blurs skin with glowy light to medium coverage, all while hydrating and protecting the skin from sun. I definitely agree with this statement. It did give my skin a blurring effect. If you can't tell, I definitely think it does, and it is a very glowy, and I do agree that it is a good combination between light to medium coverage. This does have more coverage than the Glossier Skin Tint, but it still looks extremely natural. It kind of just looks like I am wearing bronzer and blush with some mascara and some lipstick on, if I'm being honest with you. But it looks really good. Let's go on and keep reading. So it does have a radiant finish, and it says that it is free of parabens, and it's also a vegan and cruelty-free product, which I love. There's no way for me to truly fact check that product. I will stand by her statement, and if she says that it is vegan, cruelty-free, and free of parabens, I'm gonna believe it. What says in the what else you need to know category, it says think no makeup in a bottle. It's a weightless, breathable, tinted formula, blends like a moisturizer into a blurred, hydrated, naturally radiant, and non-sticky finish that lasts. Sticky test? Not sticky whatsoever. And I did use a gripping primer, and because it is light, you would expect to still feel some of that stickiness. I do agree that it is weightless and breathable. It does, like I said a million times already, feels like you have nothing on your skin, which perfect for me. That is right down my alley. And when it says think of a no makeup look, I agree. I definitely think this is a good foundation if you were going for a no makeup look. I definitely want to film another video of me doing a no makeup look, because I know I already have one on my channel, but I think I might have to feature this product when I do that video, because I am genuinely shocked right now. So it also says that it has built-in sun protection, so that would be the SPF 20, and then it also has vitamin E. And I did want to also mention that they have 24 shades available right now. And then for the clinical results, it says they did a study of 53 people, and it says 100% says that it glides on smoothly. It does. Like I said in the beginning, I recommend applying it with a brush and not a beauty blender. I definitely think the brush side went on a lot smoother, and then after you apply it with the brush, go over it with a beauty blender. So I used a buffing brush, but you can totally get away with using a regular foundation brush, paint it onto the skin, and then use a beauty blender to blend all of it in seamlessly without any brush strokes. 94% said it's an even out skin tone with a natural looking finish. I also do agree with that. It matched my skin tone perfectly, which I was a little shocked about because the color on the packaging did look a little bit dark. And then the last thing, it says 92 said skin appears smoother and it's comfortable to wear all day. I'm definitely gonna have to do a wear test, and I'll get back to you guys on that. It also states that it is best for dry, combo, and normal skin. So I will be able to put it to the test, hopefully within the next couple of days, because I do have oily skin. So I am really curious to see how this product wears on my skin. I do get really oily throughout the day. I really like it. I recommend this product. I recommend if you like very light coverage, very lightweight products on your face, you know, you're not a big fan of stuff on your face, I would recommend this product. I think it's great. Selena, you killed this one. I really enjoy it. And yeah, so thank you for watching this review. I tried to do my best on it. I've never done a review before, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment if you want to. I will see you guys next time. Bye!